सो आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5 लिंक हो चुका था. नाउ यू
Yes,
हैव
sir.
टू गो टू एक्सरसाइज नंबर 6 बेस प्लेट. ठीक है, तो दिस इज योर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 6 बेस प्लेट. ठीक है, एक्सट्रूडिंग द स्केच. दिस इज द ऑर्थोग्राफिक व्यू ऑफ द बेस प्लेट. ठीक है, ऑर्थोग्राफिक व्यू क्या होता है, इसमें क्या दिख रहा है, जो नीचे है. ठीक है, द डाउनवर्ड साइड ड्राइंग इज कॉल्ड योर टॉप व्यू. ठीक है, और जो ऊपर वाली ड्राइंग है आपकी, वो है आपकी फ्रंट व्यू. ठीक है, सो लेट्स कॉल योर फ्रंट एंड टॉप व्यू. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड योर ऑर्थोग्राफिक व्यू. ठीक है, नाउ इन दिस फिगर जो नीचे वाली ड्राइंग है, ठीक है, वो आपने विद द हेल्प ऑफ रेक्टेंगल कमांड यूज़ करनी है. एंड यू हैव टू यूज़ द फिलेट कमांड इन दिस. ठीक है, जो एजेस है, एजेस में यहाँ पे क्या है, कर्व है. ठीक है, सो इन दिस कर्व यू हैव टू ड्रॉ, यूज़ द फिलेट कमांड. ठीक है, एंड यूज़ द सर्कल. ठीक है, देन उसके बाद ये जो जब आपकी ये नीचे वाली ड्राइंग कंप्लीट हो जाएगी, देन यू हैव टू मूव टू योर फ्रंट व्यू. ठीक है, जो नीचे लेग्स दिख रही है, ठीक है, इट इज़ लाइक अ टेबल. ठीक है, टेबल है, टेबल को अगर आप ऊपर से देखोगे तो आपका वो नीचे वाला व्यू बनेगा, दैट्स कॉल्ड योर टॉप व्यू. ठीक है, देन जो ऊपर वाला व्यू है, अगर आप उसे सामने से देख रहे हो, टेबल को सामने से देख रहे हो, देन यू कैन सी द फ्रंट व्यू ऑफ दिस टेबल. ठीक है, देन यू कैन सी द लेग्स. ठीक है, टोटल देर आर 4 लेग्स. ठीक है, बट अगर आप सामने से देखोगे आपको क्या है, 2 लेग्स ही दिखेंगी. ठीक है, बिकॉज जो आपकी 2 सामने वाली लेग्स है, वो आपके बिहाइंड वाले लेग्स को छुपा रही है. तो दैट्स वाई जो बैक साइड की लेग्स है, वो बिहाइंड ऑफ योर फ्रंट लेग्स है. ठीक है, दैट्स वाई इट विल शो मी द 2 लेग्स. ठीक है, देन उसके बाद आपने ये प्रोजेक्शन इसकी बनानी है. सर्कल का रेडियस दे रखा है ऑफ 10, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द रेडियस ऑफ 10. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपने प्रोजेक्शन ले लेनी है सर्कल की. देन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. ठीक है, you have to use the offset command. You can use the offset command, fillet command, and trim command, and extend command. So let's see कि fillet command, extend command और trim offset command क्या होती है. ठीक है, so let's move to the next window, exercise number 6. ठीक है, तो ऑटोकैड की स्क्रीन दिख रही है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है. सो सबसे पहले आ जाते हैं हम, in case you want to use the trim command. So let's see कि trim command होता क्या है. ठीक है, तो first of all we have to draw a line. ठीक है, एक मैंने लाइन बनाई, I have drawn one line. ऑर्थो मोड मैंने ऑन किया. देन I draw this figure. Then I draw the circle. ठीक है, then I draw the line again. Now this. Okay, now अब क्या है, सपोज मैंने ये वाली लाइन बनाई. ठीक है, बट मेरे को क्या है, हाफ पोर्शन ही चाहिए मेरे को, आउटसाइड वाली लाइन ही चाहिए. ठीक है, बाय मिस्टेक आई ड्रॉ एन आउटसाइड लाइन ऑफ योर बाउंड्री फिगर. सो आई कैन यूज द ट्रिम कमांड. ठीक है, ट्रिम कमांड मीन्स कटिंग. ठीक है, अगर आपने कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को कट करना है, यू कैन यूज द ट्रिम कमांड. ठीक है, इट डजेंट मैटर कि वो लाइन कमांड है या स्प्लाइन कमांड है या सर्कल कमांड है या एलिप्स कमांड है. ठीक है, इट डजेंट मैटर. तो इन केस यू वांट टू कट द ऑब्जेक्ट, यू कैन यूज द ट्रिम कमांड. सो TR फर्स्ट वाली एंटर करना है. देन यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट एंटर. ठीक है, मीन्स टू से ये आपने 2 बार ये एंटर प्रेस करना है, ठीक है, टू यूज द ट्रिम कमांड डायरेक्टली, ठीक है। देन नेक्स्ट वन, you have to select the object which you want to trim, ठीक है। सपोज आई वांट टू ट्रिम दिस लाइन, ठीक है, ये वाली लाइन है जो हमारी, उसे मैं ट्रिम करना चाहता हूँ, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, सिंपली सेलेक्ट दिस लाइन, ठीक है। तो यहाँ तक लाइन कट हो जाएगी जहाँ तक बाउंड्री है, सो आई सेलेक्ट द लाइन, सो यू कैन सी कि आपकी जो लाइन है वो कट होगी। नाउ इन केस यू ड्रॉ द सर्कल, अब आपको क्या है, ये सेगमेंट नहीं चाहिए आपको, ठीक है, ये वाला सेगमेंट आपको नहीं चाहिए, ये वाली आर्क नहीं चाहिए। नाउ यू हैव टू यूज़ द फिलेट कमांड, ट्रिम कमांड एंड सेलेक्ट ओके, ठीक है। देन उसके बाद आपको ये वाली लाइन नहीं चाहिए, देन आपने सेलेक्ट करना है ऑब्जेक्ट और क्लिक करना है, ठीक है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस बटन, then select this option with the help of mouse button, then OK, clear। now इसी का opposite extend command है, ठीक है, means to say in case you want to extend any line or any object you can use the extend command, ठीक है। so I can use the extend command with defining EX is the shortcut key for extend command and press double enter, ठीक है। you have to press a double enter, there are various options but you don't have to use the various option, ठीक है। you can further go move, then you have to use the extend command, press extend EX double enter, then you have to select the line which you want to extend। so suppose I want to extend this line, मेरे को इस लाइन को यहाँ तक एक्सटेंड करना है, ठीक है। लाइन वहाँ तक ही एक्सटेंड करेगी जहाँ तक उसकी बाउंड्री होगी, ठीक है, वो नेक्स्ट मूव नहीं करेगी, ठीक है, इन्फिनिटी तक मूव नहीं करेगी। सो एक्सटेंड कमांड वहीं यूज़ होगी जहाँ पे लाइन की बाउंड्री होगी। so suppose I want to extend this line, so I can extend this line, ठीक है। I want to extend this line from here to here, so select the line, ठीक है, it will automatically show me and draw the line, ठीक है। अब अगर मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करूँगा तो वहाँ पे आपको क्या एक्सटेंड नहीं होगा, ठीक है। वाई, बिकॉज देयर इज नो बाउंड्री, ठीक है। इफ देयर इज एनी बाउंड्री, ठीक है, देन इट कैन एक्सटेंड, ठीक है। इफ आई वांट टू एक्सटेंड दिस लाइन, you can extend from here to here, ठीक है, you can extend this line from here to here, ठीक है। suppose you want to extend this line from here, ठीक है, I draw the object, then EX double enter, ठीक है। there are also various options, you can check it। so you have to select the line, ठीक है। तो line will be extended from your base point to the boundary of your next line, ठीक है। then in case of this object you have the restricted body restriction boundary is there, so you can extend this line from here, ठीक है। so this is your extend command, and the opposite of your trim command, extend command is trim command, ठीक है। सिंगल बॉडी कभी भी ट्रिम नहीं होगी, ठीक है। जब भी उसके पास कोई ऑब्जेक्ट होगा तभी वो ट्रिम होगी या एक्सटेंड होगी, ठीक है। क्लियर। सो दिस इज योर ट्रिम एंड एक्सटेंड कमांड इन विच you have to use. Now next one, fillet and chamfer command. Let's do one rectangle, rec rectangle. Let's see our figure. Our figure is we have to draw a rectangle of 150 by 200. Okay, so let's see how to draw a rectangle. Length is our 200 and the breadth is 150. So let's see, draw one rectangle REC, define the first point of your object and D enter karo for dimension. Then it is asking me to specify the length of the rectangle. So our length is 200. So 200. Then it is asking me to define the width of the rectangle. So my width is 150. Then okay. Okay. Then you have to define the next point. Then okay. Now you can check the dimension. Okay. Go to dimension, check the linear, check the first point, then second point, then okay. Okay, 200, then it is okay. D एंटर करो, इसका साइज हम थोड़ा इंक्रीज कर लेते हैं. यूज ओवरऑल स्केल यहाँ पे हम 2 कर देते हैं. देन ओके, देन क्लोज. ठीक है. नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज द फिलेट. ठीक है, तो हमें फिलेट यूज करना है. वी हैव टू यूज द फिलेट कमांड. F एंटर करना है फॉर फिलेट, देन R एंटर करना है फॉर रेडियस. ठीक है, R for radius and F for fillet. First of all, you have to enter F for fillet. Then you have to define the radius. So you have to enter R for radius. ठीक है, आपने कर्व का रेडियस देना है. So you have to enter R for radius. Let's see our radius. So here you don't see the radius. So I can specify the radius as 5. ठीक है, तो मैंने रेडियस अपना 5 दे दिया. ठीक है, तो मैंने F एंटर किया, देन उसके बाद R एंटर किया फॉर रेडियस. देन यू हैव टू एंटर द वैल्यू ऑफ द रेडियस. आवर वैल्यू इज 5. ठीक है, 5. देन I select your first object. ठीक है, you have to select the first line and you have to select the second line. I select the first line, then select the second line. You can see your fillet is applied. ठीक है, आपका fillet applied हो गया. Now next one. Suppose in some cases, ठीक है, fillet का रेडियस हम चेंज करके इसे 10 कर देते हैं. Now in some cases you want the fillet as well as your sharp corner or edges. So what we can do? So you can use F enter karo for fillet. Then you have to press T for trim. ठीक है, so inside the fillet command you are using the trim command. ठीक है, so remember that. So F एंटर करना है फॉर fillet, then R एंटर करना है फॉर radius. ठीक है, and you have to define the radius. I define 10 is my radius, then enter. Then आपने you have to enter T for trim. ठीक है, in previous case we are trimming the object. ठीक है, but in this present case we want the edges as well as the fillet. So for that you have to enter T. Okay, then it is asking me you want to trim or no trim. ठीक है, then in case you want to trim the object, so you have to enter T. In case you don't want to trim, so you have to enter n. Okay, so n enter करो, ठीक है, because in this case I want the fillet as well as edges, so that's why I select n, no trim, then enter. Okay, then in this I give the fillet command, then a radius as well as then trimming also. Now you have to select the object, ठीक है, so you have to select first object. This is your first line, then you have to select this line, ठीक है. Now you can see you have both fillet as well as the sharp edge. Okay, so why we use the fillet command in your real object? So because of sharp edges, we got some injuries. Okay, accidental case may be increased by this edges. Okay, in your mobile phones, okay, you can see in your mobile phones uh, edges are not sharp, okay, there are curve, okay, so that's why we use the fillet command in every area in real objects, okay. But in case of your support we don't use the fillet much, okay. So yeah, this is very most important command, okay, in drawing. In case you want to draw any object, suppose you want to draw your chair, so you can use your fillet command. In case you want to draw the bottle, you can see the fillet command here, okay. Everywhere where human body interact, there will be a uh, fillet is used in everywhere, okay. Just like you see it in car or handle, there are fillets, okay, there are not sharp edges, so uh, there this is the use of here fillet command. Next one is the chamfer, ठीक है. So in chamfer you have to draw the slope. Fillet, in fillet you have to draw the curve, and in chamfer you have to use the slope. So CHA is the shortcut key for chamfer, okay. Then you have to specify the distance and angle. There are two types of chamfer. Distance, you have to define the two distance, and second one is the angle and distance. So CHA enter किया, then you have to enter D for distance. Then you have to define the first distance and second distance. So I define the first distance as 10 and second distance as 20. Okay, generally both the length will be same, but for showing you I will change the length, okay, distance. Then it is asking me to select the object, so I select the object, first object, then select the second object. Now you can see the chamfer, okay. There is no trimming is also applicable in your fillet and as well as your uh, chamfer, okay. Then if you don't want to enter the edges, if you don't want the edges, you can use the trim command here also. CHA enter करना है, T enter करना है for trim, then again T enter करना है for trimming. Here it is showing me no trim, ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको दे रखा है no trim है. So आपने क्या करना है, T enter करना है for trim, देन नेक्स्ट वन, डिस्टेंस हो गया हमारा, नेक्स्ट वन क्या है, एंगल. सो select the angle. Okay, now you have to specify first length. Okay, so I specify my length is 20 and you have to specify the angle. ठीक है, so I specify my angle as 30 degree. Generally the angle will be 45 degree, but showing you the purpose, I can give the angle 30. So I have to press enter. Then simply you have to select the object. You have to select the first line. You have to select the second line. Simple. ठीक है. Now you can see the chamfer. This is called a chamfer. ठीक है. Our distance, our dimension will also change. Okay. So this is your chamfer, fillet, and trim and extend. Now move to your figure. Your figure is almost completed downward side. So you have to use the fillet command. So I can remove this object. Okay. Okay. So in edges we have to use the fillet command. F enter करो. R for radius. 10 for, I can give the radius 10 as a curve. Okay. Then select your object. Repeat fillet. Select the object. Repeat fillet. Select the edges. Then repeat fillet. Then select the edges. Okay. Now next one. Next one is you have to use the offset command to give the center point of circle. So how can we select the center point of the circle? Let's see. You can pick the distance from this point, center point of this circle to this circle is 100. Okay, means to say the center point of one leg to the second leg will be your 100. Okay, so I can use the uh, offset command. Okay, first of all you have to calculate the distance from the end point to the center point of the circle. So suppose we have the center point to center point of the circle is 100. So let's calculate from the horizontal distance is 200 minus 100, that is here 100. Okay, and 200 divide 100 divided by 2 is 50. So we have the distance horizontally from this center point to this end point is 50. So I can use the offset command. So let's see the offset command. O enter करना है for offset command. Then you have to specify the distance. Okay, so I want the distance is 50 mm. ठीक है, we use the distance as a mm. So offset distance is 50 mm. Then you have to select the object. Then you have to select the inside wood. Okay, now if it is okay, check the dimension. first point, then second point. Okay. Now next one. Calculate the vertical distance. Vertical distance is a total distance is 150, and uh, distance between the circle is 100. So the distance will be 150 minus 150, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. So let's give the offset distance O, then 25, then enter, then select your body. Okay. Now we have to use the extend command in this. EX equivalent. So we want from here to here is 150. Means to say that vertical distance I want 150, and horizontal distance is 200, and from end point is 50 mm and 25 from here. So I can extend this line from here. I can draw this line from here to here. Okay. So I can find this center point of the circle. Now next one, you have to draw the circle of radius. Check the radius is 10. Radius 10. Okay. Now remove all this. We have to find the center point. Now you have to remove all this. Now you have to use the array command, or you can use the mirror command. So I am using the mirror command. Mi, then I have to press enter, then select your object, circle, then enter, then select the midpoint, first point, then select the horizontal vertical point and define the mirror line, then select enter. Then it is asking me if you want to erase the source object or not. You have to erase the source object or not. We don't have to erase the source object. Press N. Okay. Now you can see your upper legs circle are being drawn. Next, Mi. Select the object, then enter. Select the midpoint and draw the horizontal line. Okay. Horizontal line of the mirror. Then same N, enter, then enter. Now you can see your legs has been drawn, your top view has been drawn. Now next one is you have to draw the front view. So let's see how to draw the front view of your figure. So we can use the offset command. Okay. The distance of your leg is 40 mm, and the distance is you can give the distance of your front view and top view about 20 mm. Okay, so we can select the from distance this point to this point is 40 60 mm. Okay, so you can pick O for offset, then you have to give the distance 60 mm, then enter, then select the object, this object, and pick the object as outward. Okay, So we have drawn this object. Now we have to break this object, means to say that this is your object. You have to break this object. तोड़ना चाहते हो आप उस object को. So you have to use the explode command. X enter करना है for explode command. Then select your object. Then enter. Now you can see your object has been broken. Then you have to select the object and delete your object, unwanted object which you don't want. Okay. Now next one is you have to use again offset. Before using the offset command, we can draw the line. We can trace this line, your last line, to this last line. Okay, and draw a line of 40 mm. Okay, so by using the O-track of object snap tracking, F11 is the shortcut key for tracking. Okay, you can track your object. Now you have to extend this line, EX, double enter, then extend this line. Okay, then you have to use the offset command, O enter karo, then give the distance 200, then enter, then select your line, then give this option. Use the extend command, EX, double enter, then extend this line. We want the line from here to here. This also use the offset command, give the distance 40 mm, then give this line as this line. So your top view is drawn and your front view rectangle is also drawn. Okay, 200 by 40 mm. You have to use the fillet command. We can use the fillet command afterward. First of all, we have to draw the legs. Okay, so let's draw the legs. We have to find this point. From here to here, the 40 mm. Okay, 40 mm. Now you have to use the offset command, O, then give the length will be here 5 mm offset distance, then select your object, O, 10 distance, because the radius of the circle is 10. So you have to select this line and give the right direction, select this line and give the left direction, and erase the source object, erase the center body, then draw the line from bottom. Okay, you have to create this leg to this side also. You can use the mirror, MI, then select the object, then enter, select the mirror, center point, midpoint, select the first point, then select the second point, then N for no deleting your source object, then enter. Now use the fillet command, F enter for fillet, then select your first body, second body, F for fillet, first body, second body, F. Okay, you have to use fillet again and again where you want. Okay, so this is your object, exercise number base 6 base plate. Now you have to use the distance dimension. So give the dimension linear, take this point and this point 200, d enter करो, for d modify 3, then okay, close it. If it is okay, then you can draw next one. Dimension linear, like first option, then second. You can give the fillet radius also. This is the fillet radius. Vertical distance. Okay, so this is your figure. Now in case you want to give the hatching or gradient, you can give the gradient G for gradient, GRA. You can select the various options from here, then add breakpoint, select this portion, then enter, go to preview. If it is okay, then okay. Then gradient GRA, then select the pattern, then go to add breakpoint, then select this portion, and this portion, this and this portion and this portion, then enter, and go to end. So this is your base plate. There may be a color change. Okay, you can give the color according to your choice. Okay, or according to the examiner, in case examiner give you this color option, so you can draw this color option.